everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be putting the rocker cover back onto the Mini. So basically when I started this project, as you would have seen before, you saw me took the rocker cover off and I was going to put my new cam in, and it's just completely rooted basically. So I bought the cam on eBay, it came, my fault, it said no returns, but it came and it's completely ruined, so it's not good enough to use in the car. My original plan was to put this cam in, 550cc injectors and remap, but I'm gonna have to buy a new cam. I got really stung on eBay. eBay couldn't help, which is fine, no problem. It's just a little bit annoying that people like that still exist, and especially within the car community, but hey ho, that's that. So yeah, let's get cracking. Now I am going to be putting in stainless steel bolts into the rocker cover. The ones that were on there before are either completely rusted or now no longer exist from taking them out. So yeah, I'm going to be replacing them with some stainless ones. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab some if you feel like it. And finally, just quickly, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I'm going to have a load more videos on the Mini coming out soon, and obviously I upload a video every Wednesday without fail at 6:30. So make sure you hit subscribe and you hit every Wednesday to come and check out the latest video. So first up on the list for today, I've got to take out the old Newman PH2 cam and put in the new one. I'm not going to sort of show you a sort of tutorial on how to do it. I'm just going to do it and film it. But I'm going to take out the old one, which obviously means getting the time in order, and then we'll put the old cam back in and tighten everything back up. So that's the intake and exhaust. I think they're rocker arms out. So this is the original cam. It's in a lot better condition. So I'm going to just put a bit of assembly lube in all of the bits where the cam sits, just to help lubricate it on the first startup. Just going to whack the cam in there. Well, I say whack, gently put the cam in. So now I'm going to put the journal cap thingies on in the right order, because that matters. Then we're going to put the rocker arms in, put the cam sprocket on, and start sealing it up. Okay, so we've got these journal end cap things. I don't quite know what they're called, but I'm going to put a bit of assembly lube on top of the cam where they sit as well, just in case really. So with these rocker arms, it does matter which order they go in. I think it's exhaust first then intake, but we'll try it. You just want to make sure these little orange things don't get lost. They come off quite easy. Just as easily come off, they go back on, but yeah, just make sure you don't lose them. It's a little bit difficult to do this, but helps if you've got a friend or a helper. Just check you've still got all them little orange bits. That in there. Let's go to the intake one. Now this one's trickier to do because there's 8 individual ones, so they don't go together, and you've got to jump over the spark plugs. But doable. Bolt them in now. So I'm going to tighten it up in a anti-clockwise pattern. Make sure as you're tightening this, all the little orange bits are sitting on top, just so that it can tighten down properly. Okay, so that's all the bolts torqued up. So let's get the sprocket back on. So I've just double checked, and you actually need to put the intake rocker arms in before the exhaust ones. So I've took the exhaust ones out and then placed them back in. I'm assuming that it matters which way around they go, but I've done it the way that Modern Mini recommends. Blue thread lock on the camshaft bolt. I'm just going to get some of that on there. Do not want that backing out. So I'm going to put this cam sprocket back in now. I'm just going to undo my makeshift holding tool. Make sure I keep the tension on the chain so it doesn't skip the teeth on the bottom. That's what that's there for. And we're going to find the link that I coloured in. Like so. We're going to put that bolt in with the thread locker on. So double check that. There's a little notch on the camshaft which lines up in the sprocket, which means you can only get it one way. And that's in and out. It's not tight, obviously. Now the cam locking tool's in place, we're going to tighten this bolt up. we go. Now we can take the camera control out, wiggle it back. All good. So I've come out this afternoon to finish off getting the collars off the old bolts. So the stainless bolts that I brought, you need to remove these little washer collar thingies. They don't just pull off, they're locked in there, they don't screw off, they don't do anything. Now I was told by the guy that sold me the stainless bolts, I'll leave a link in the description, that you can just hit them and you might have some luck. So I am going to try hitting them like he suggested. I do have a method that works, it does involve this. Let's give hitting them a go. Yes, it does work. So I'm going to give you a quick look at how I'm making up these new bolts. So as far as I'm aware, the O-ring, the new O-ring goes over this little washer, and then the washer goes on top, like that, I believe. So I believe that's how it's done. I'm just going to double check that there. Okay, yeah, so I've just double checked it, and I've got that right. So washer, spacer with the O-ring on, and stiff the bolt through. So I'm going to make up these and go put them in the rocker cover. So I was kind of hoping I'd be able to wrap this up today, but it looks like that isn't going to be the case. I cannot for the life of me find the old bolt to take the little spacer thingy out. I've done the rest and tightened them all down apart from this one. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to order a new one of these, or just keep looking and try and find it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can do for now. Next steps are coolant pipes. They're coming here, they'll be here soon. Royal Mail have got them now, they've come from China. So Royal Mail have got them now, so yeah, it shouldn't be too long. Once we've got them, we can start fitting everything back up. Coolant pipes are obviously going on, supercharger back on, bolting everything back up tight, and yeah, shouldn't be too long now. I just actually wanted to quickly show off this dipstick I brought. I've just placed it in temporarily, but it's basically exactly the same as the original one, but it's flexible metal. Obviously the original one is a stupid fiberglassy type material, which breaks really easily, so this metal one is really good. It's nice and easy to use, nice and easy to come in and out of the engine. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that in the description. I think that's a really cool product. But I think that's going to pretty much end it here for today's video. Like I said, there's not too much left to do on the Mini now, so make sure you stay tuned for the next couple of weeks, and we'll be finishing it up. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Make sure you go and check out my website, www.grindinggears.uk, and grab yourself a sticker. Send me a photo of your sticker on your car on Instagram, @grindinggearsofficial, and I'll repost it. But for now, thank you for the support as always, and I'll see you in the next one.